In this video, we'll see the top 5 best 360 cameras of this year. I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, whether it's price, performance, or quality. Now, let's get started. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Number 5. For pro photography is the Ricoh Theta Z1. Launched in 2019, the Ricoh Theta Z1 is still competitive in 2022 and deserves a place in the rankings. The camera has since benefited from the May 2021 update, which increases the internal storage from 19GB to 51GB. Ricoh launched the Theta in March 2022, so the Theta Z1 is still an option to consider in 2022. The Theta Z1 can take 6720 by 3360 23 megapixel photos and 4K video, but the image quality is much higher than the numbers suggest. Thanks to its 1-inch sensor, which is larger than other 360-degree cameras, the Z1 captures high-resolution photos and videos with exceptional dynamic range. Photo quality is undoubtedly the Theta Z1's crowning glory. Compared to other 360-degree cameras, the Z1 produces better original photos and allows for greater exposure control. In low light, it is superior to other models. We actually prefer the Z1 over the higher resolution X1 on paper because the Z1 is more stable when producing photos, especially in low light situations. However, the Theta Z1 has one downside: its price. $999 is still too expensive for most enthusiasts. Moreover, the price of the camera has not dropped even once since it was launched 4 years ago. Logic made the Z1 $200 to $300 cheaper, so it's a shame they didn't. The Theta Z1 still benefits from increased internal storage, but clearly suffers from its size. This makes it slightly better equipped for video, but the camera is not waterproofed and the stabilization is not optimal. In general, like all Ricohs, it's not intended for video and does not take good outdoor action scenes. For use in this context, we recommend the Insta 360 X3 or GoPro Max. Number 4. Still a good option is the GoPro Max. If you want to record impressive videos of your sports trips or outdoor adventures, the GoPro Max is still a good choice. The GoPro Max is waterproof, up to 5 meters without a case, and the workflow for editing the app is relatively simple. If you want to convert 360-degree video into a traditional 2D movie, you can easily do so using the app's overcapture software. The GoPro Max extends many of the features of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, including hyper smooth stabilization and 360-degree time warp recording. In terms of quality, the photo and video results are slightly worse than other candidates in this rating. If you want to take 360-degree photos as a virtual tour, we recommend choosing another model, like the Insta 360 RS 1-inch or the Insta 360 1X3. The GoPro Max, on the other hand, is durable and waterproof, adapted to sports trips. You have the freedom to capture the drama of the moment without worrying about the direction in which it was filmed or the integrity of the device. Number 3. Best value is the Trisio Lite 2. Designed to suit the needs of virtual tour creators, Trisio Lite 2 is specifically designed for reliable 360-degree photo capture. Unlike traditional 360-degree cameras, the Trisio Lite 2 does not have a rear lens. Although it is a single lens, it has a motorized rotation mechanism. This allows the camera to take 4 photos and then combine them into a single 360-degree photo. While the feature doesn't allow for 360-degree video capture, it provides an important advantage for 360-degree photography with only one lens. We can offer a competitive price compared to other cameras equipped with 2 cameras. As such, the Trisio Lite 2 is priced at an excellent $399 for 8K photo playback, making it excellent value for your money. Additionally, while other cameras require you to reconstruct the final 360-degree photo from just 2 photos, the Trisio Lite 2 has 4 photos. This explains the image quality, which is comparable to the Theta X and the Theta Z1, which are priced much higher at $999. During testing, I was impressed with its ease of use. The camera automatically analyzes the ambient light and takes 4 photos in HDR format to ensure that no area is overexposed in the final image. It's faster. Unlike traditional cameras that take 30 seconds per frame, the reconstruction of the 4 images of very high quality and the stitching errors are practically unnoticeable. This is the best stitching I've ever seen on a 360-degree camera I've tested. Image contrast is natural, colors are accurate, and dynamic range is excellent. Overall, the photo quality is very good. The biggest disadvantage of the Trisio Lite 2 is the lack of RAW mode. This will definitely disappoint some people, but keep in mind that the quality of the output images will be good. Also, please note that this is a scam shared by Theta X. In terms of hardware, the storage capacity is built in and is 8 GB. At first glance, it may seem like there is a limit, but knowing that the last photo is 4 MB, it is reasonable that you can take between 1,500 and 2,000 photos. It also has a built-in battery, so you can't buy a spare battery. Then you can use it for about 3 hours. One solution could be use an external battery, but in practice I find it inconvenient because the camera has to be rotated for it to work. Number 2. Best high quality is the Ricoh Theta X. Ricoh was the first company to create a 360-degree camera for consumers, and their latest product is still the best. Theta in the past, creating and editing virtual tours took a lot of time. Technology has now advanced to the point where you can quickly and easily create high-quality VR tours with this all-in-one 360 camera. The Theta X uses automatic HDR mode to capture 11K 360 images. The resulting images include real estate, construction, education, and more. Enough to use for virtual tours. Little processing is required, and the camera is easy to set up and use. The Theta X can also shoot 5.7K 360-degree video, but is far from an action camera. The app is very limited compared to the GoPro and the Insta 360, so I would only recommend this camera if you want to shoot virtual tours on a regular basis. Number 1. Best overall is the Insta 360 X3. If you are just starting out and want to invest in 360-degree photography, the Insta 360 X3 is the best option. Mobility, performance quality, and software are just some of the features that make the X3 one of the best 360 cameras on the market. Launching in late 2022, it is the successor to the award-winning Insta 360 X2. Comparing the two versions, two major upgrades stand out and may prompt you to replace the X2 with the Insta 360 X3. First, a large 2.29-inch touchscreen appeared, designed to improve navigation. This product is a true innovation. The screen makes it easy to navigate and adjust various camera functions. Second, the quality of 360-degree photos has improved significantly. The X3 sensors are slightly larger than the X2s at 0.5 inches each. This distinction allows the X3 to deliver a better quality of performance, especially in low light environments. This new sensor also allows you to take 360-degree photos at 72 megapixel resolution, which is significantly higher than the original version. Despite these improvements, the video quality of this new model is disappointing. Although it is the Insta 360, in fact, both cameras shoot 5.7K at 30 FPS, and because the X3 has a slightly larger sensor, the difference in quality is only noticeable in low light. Alright, that's all for today's video, guys. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.